Hello my dear students, welcome to art class. Students, I am Vimaljit Kaur from Amrit Indo-Canadian Academy. Today I will tell you how to make aeroplane. We need colorful papers, markers, scissor and glue. First of all, we will make body of the aeroplane. Now we will take one sheet and we will make other parts of the aeroplane. At the last, we will paste googly eyes and we will make smile of the aeroplane. Now your aeroplane is ready.